strategies, cutting-edge technologies. The Westgate shopping mall attack in Nairobi demonstrates to the world a number of important points. First, the battle to fight against Al-Qaeda and its offshoots like Alshabaab in the Horn of Africa is far from over. Al-Shabaab is indeed a national threat, but its consequences have negative impact to the region and the entire world, not just for Somalia alone. Second, the fight against Al-Shabaab must be fought on many fronts. Our brave Somali forces, the AMISOM, and Ethiopian forces need help to fight our enemies inside Somalia. That is simply not good enough, but AMISOM must be reinforced and expanded. Little investment required for these enhancements into significance compared to the great expense that will be needed later if the international community does not help finish the job right now. A great job, and we look forward to implement. These brutal terrorist organizations have no mercy to humanity. Wherever they are in Nairobi and in Mogadishu or elsewhere in the world. But let me reassure you that we will fight and defeat Al-Shabaab in the deserts and in the towns, on digital and on social media. We will fight them on the airwaves and in the newspapers. We challenge them in schools, colleges, universities, and we will overcome them.